Hi friends, welcome to berry season in my allotment in the UK. Now, this time of the year, June, you can pick raspberries, strawberries, blackcurrants, and many more. But these are the things I'm growing currently, and I'm sharing them with you now. This is actually not my bush. This is a neighbor's one. He's asked me to pick, and he's got so many beautiful ripe delicious raspberries. Now these are summer fruiting raspberries. They grow really tall. You need to train them and tie them. But then the autumn ones, which are the ones I currently grow, you don't need to do all this in the summer. You just let them grow. By the end of summer towards August, they start fruiting, and then they fruit up until we have our first fruit. So they fruit a lot longer, and they're all still good, but then this is just for me a bit more fiddly. But I'm grateful to get some from my neighbor. The next on our list are blackcurrants. Blackcurrants are not very popular, but they're popular in the UK. However, you can't really buy them in the shops, but they're easy to grow, low maintenance, and actually more nutrient dense than blueberries. You can find blackcurrant, little plants at the garden center and try growing them. They are so low maintenance. Trust me, if you've never grown them, I would encourage you to try growing them. And listen, when you grow your own fruits and berries, you have less pesticide loads because fruits have one of the highest loads of pesticides, and this is one of the main reasons I grow my own. I don't even buy them when they're not in season because I know I can't really currently afford them organic, and then if I don't buy them organic, they're full of pesticides. So yeah, I know we try to do the best by eating berries, and we know they're so nutritious, but they are high in pesticides, and this is one of the reasons I grow my fruits. And also, the wild animals love blackcurrants. Although they are tarts, I don't actually recommend eating them as you eat blueberries, but I put them in my smoothies. I put them, make powders with them, and they're so delicious in smoothies. So I always net over them because I don't have enough to share. If I did, I'll probably let the wild animals, but maybe in the future, I'll let them, share with me. But for now, we're just getting enough for us to eat. And yeah, this is what we've gotten so far. We've gotten about 1.5 kilos, and we'll store them in the freezer, and it will last us throughout the winter when we need vitamin C at the most. We need it all year round, but more in the winter. Final berries are strawberries, which the slugs have been eating this year, but we are managing to pick some. However, we have to pick them not fully ripe like this, otherwise the slugs will get them. Anyway, this is all we have for today. I'm really grateful I can grow these, and I want to encourage you out there. You can try growing 1 or 2 berries, and I'm sure you'll enjoy them. My kids love berry season. Anyway, thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and bye bye.